Good evening and welcome to my end of the week review here for Apple. Wednesday, during my midweek recap, I mentioned I got in some 157.5 calls at 275. Those ended up being very profitable. Per my notes, I was looking for a move above this 156.80, 157 area. As you can see, gapped up above, held as support, and kind of bounced around. That level coincided with the moving averages. Amazing how that works. Got a nice 50 SMA cross, earnings related news on other companies. Apple got a sympathy play along with some other names. What happened was, or what appears to have happened, bears that were in this trade ended up having to close, but likely they tried to double their position right here around 160 at this trend. As you can see, there was a big volume spike around these levels, and once 160 broke, price expansion indicates that more buyers did come into play, and they were simply trying to get out of the trade. They had to get out, and they had to get out fast. This thing ran up $5 on the day. Now Thursday, really nothing really to note. Just kind of a lot of chop around. Friday, that gap up above my support zone. Amazing how it gapped up and held as support and just kind of ran. Got out of these calls at 6:53 up here. If you look at this as a 15-minute time frame, there's absolutely zero reason to sell any of these calls or any shares until at least 162.5. If you follow somebody that got you a 10 to 20% gain, congratulations on your profits, but you left a tremendous amount of money on the table, and I would strongly recommend following somebody or joining another room that will help encourage you to take larger wins. They don't happen all the time, but when they do, you need to have somebody there at your back that can explain to you what's going on and teach you patience. With that said, come join tradecrew.com. It's free. Anyways, going forward now, nice vertical move here on Apple was a perfect setup for some Fibonacci levels. So that's what I have right here. Any one of these lines could potentially hold support. I will be looking for support plays at any one of these, especially down here. If it comes all the way back down to the 158, 159 area, this would be an area to go ahead and take a very large size, excuse me, in my opinion. Stop loss would be about $1. But again, anytime I have support, I want to see a confirmation. So if it blows through all of these and there's no confirmation of support, I'm just simply going to get out of the way. Now, I am also looking for a move above 163.60. Ideally, if something bounces off one of these levels and goes up and takes it out, I'll go ahead and add into it. Price target for now is going to be this 165 area. On a weekly time frame, there's an up channel that could project up to about 170. But we'll see how long that takes. Probably going to need that earnings catalyst to push it up any higher. But as of right now, this is my trade plan for Monday. We'll see what happens, and good luck.